So what's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is first trader right here. So in this video I want to share with you a trade I'm already in. I also dropped the video, the short section of this YouTube channel, so that everybody can actually partake in this trade. I told you guys I'll be dropping like kind of signals through that short video on YouTube. So you know, do it, always check out my short videos on YouTube, which is like 1 minute videos, and basically I'm going to just be calling out trade for the week or any pair I'm looking at, maybe buying or selling. So if you actually watch the video, you can actually go to your charts, push in the trade, and write the trade the trade with me. Okay, so here I'm targeting just 100 pips plus. Okay, this is like 100 and this is 120 pips right here. Okay, that's what I'm targeting. This is a USD card. Okay, I'm actually going long. Basically this is something like trading against the trend, right? Because this is a downtrend. Okay, if you go to 4 hours or maybe daily time frame, you are going to see that this is a downtrend. Okay, but why I'm entering here is because I have my strong level right here. So this is a strong level which I've marked out using the higher time frame support and resistance. Okay, the price coming down to this zone, okay, giving me those lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and this is the third touch. So at this third touch, I'm looking at the price reversing and pushing to the upside, guys. So the price testing this zone now is for me a signal to go long. Okay, I have the first, second, and third touch right here. So I'm actually scalping, scalping. And when you are scalping and you are targeting like 100 pips, that is even beyond scalping. Okay, but that is exactly what I'm looking at. I'm not actually holding the trade to hit this trend line. I know the price can actually hit the trend line before we now target to short or go short on this trade. Okay, that's when I will comfortably stack in more trades. When the price, if the price should from here maybe after maybe ranging or anything like this, break to this level, so at that point is the level I'm waiting for. That's where I'm going to be shorting with confidence. Okay, so but for now I'm going to be scalping from here to here, and I will close my trade. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. Basically it's just what I'm actually the trade I'm currently on. So, and I will share with you the outcome as usual. If the price go against us, kick my stop loss, I will still continue the video by sharing with you, okay, look at what actually happened, and the price actually went wrong and we are out of the trade. You can see that this is a good risk reward. This is 1:4 anyway, so you should know if you are risking $100 on this account, you are targeting $400. If you are risking $10, you are targeting $40. That is exactly why risk reward ratio is very important. Okay, so basically I am entering the trade using all the informations I've been dropping here on YouTube, and that's exactly why I'm sharing with you this. Okay, for you to see that I enter trades with the information I'm sharing here. I've taught you guys about the 1, 2, 3 touch. I've taught you guys about drawing support and resistance, trend line, and all that. Okay, and that is basically what I'm using for this entry. So guys, I will be bringing back the outcome of this trade in a while. Okay,
so guys, this is the updates of the trade I actually shared with you guys yesterday, and I told you guys I'll be giving you the updates on this trade. You can see we are back into this level, which is about 80 pips into profit once again. You guys already know that the volatility is always low during the night. That is my time here. Okay, I'm looking forward hitting our TP, which is 120 pips in next 3 hours or 4 hours when the US market will be open. So basically this is currently 5:24 a.m. GMT +1. Okay, that is my own time zone, which is likely we are going to be hitting our CP basically from 9 a.m. 10, 11. So I think you can see currently there's no kind of massive movement right here, but the price is actually gradually pushing into profit the more and about to hit our TP. So basically I know once the market opens, that is US market opens, we are going to have a lot of movement, and basically our TP will be hit. So why I'm doing this is actually to share with you guys that all the things I've been dropping here on YouTube, I actually use them for trading. I told you guys before we enter this trade, before the price started moving, I already dropped a YouTube short, and I also decided to record the whole process, both my entry using just simple understanding trend, even when we are actually going against trend, because this is a massive downtrend on USD card. Okay, but I decided to just scalp the retracement, which I told you guys that the retracement is likely going to hit this level, okay. That is where I'm going to be shorting. I told you guys already. So this is where I'm going to be shorting for a very long time. You know, I hold my trade for some time. I don't just jump in and jump out. No, I don't scalp much, okay, unless in a situation like this. And this is even beyond scalping, because I've been on this trade since yesterday, right? So now that's why I have to just target here and wait for the price to hit my trend line if possible. Then I'm going to be shorting for a very long time to the downside, right? So basically that is this is it for the current trade I'm taking. I'll be bringing you back live sections of my trade and the outcome, guys, okay. And you know, I told you guys always watch my short videos, because I will always drop predictions or price directions for the week, okay, at least 2 times in a week, okay. So that's that for this video, and I believe we learned something from this process, okay. How I actually entered, showing you that 1 2 3 touch, okay, which I taught you already in this channel, right? And having the price at my trend line, which I also explained how to put in your trend line, support and resistance, and every other thing. Then you make entry, okay. So the next thing I will share with you briefly here is that you should understand that you don't have power over the market. You don't have the power to, you know, push the price privately. We are retail traders, right? So you don't think you have the assets to push the price to your direction, right? So what you need to do is to have a good setup and be patient for your setup to be met. Once you see your setup and and you feel like this is the best setup for you, please enter the trade without wasting any time, okay. Don't wait for any perfect stuff, because there's no perfect stuff in the forex market, right? So don't always, most of us might see a good setup. What we do is that we keep wasting time trying to figure out 1 or 2 things that will discourage us from entering the trade. At the end of the day, you skip the trade and the trade will go in your favor. At the end of the day, you just miss out that trade. Then you'll be very angry, you know, and it will push you to trade aggressively. So what you need to do is to always stick to your setup, and once you see them, enter the trade. You don't have control over the direction of the market. If the price go in your favor, good. If the price go against you, make sure that you have your risk management in place, and anything that happens right? So if you keep overthinking trades, you are likely going to be paralyzed from taking trades, and most time it will result in aggressiveness, because when you miss out first trade and the trade went where you miss out the second trade, the same thing, the next one you are going to be aggressive, because you say, oh, I won't miss this one anymore, and that one is likely going to be a losing trade. And when you are aggressive, that means you have increased your loss size, you entered on time or anything like that, and at the end of the day, that is exactly why a lot of people blow accounts or discouraged in this market. So just understand that you don't have power over the market. Your power is your strategy, your setup. Okay, once you see them, you enter your trade, apply proper risk management, and whatever happens right? So that's that for this video. I hope you enjoy the whole process. I've recorded everything from the time we entered the trade to this moment, and I believe we are going to be hitting our TP in some hours. So I hope you enjoy this, and I will see you guys in the next one.
So guys, what's up? Welcome. Also, as I promised you guys that I'm going to be bringing back the outcome of this trade. Yeah, yesterday night I actually shared with you a few things, just brief thing about the brief movement about this. Yesterday night the market was kind of ranging. I told you guys once the US market opens today, we are likely going to see a spike, that will actually push us into profit, and that is exactly what happened right here. After this pullback, we had this spike, and our TP was smashed before this little range, kind of around here. So that's exactly how I ended up this trade. So I think the price action has been favorable this week. I dropped this, I call out this trade also in this YouTube channel, in this short section. I also drop it in the Telegram group. So if you are yet to join my general Telegram group for updates or activities, anything like that, you can also check the link in the description of this video to join the Telegram group. Okay, so it's completely free for everybody. All right, so that's that for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of live trading section. Yeah, definitely once I encounter any bad trade, I'm going to be dropping it here. This is simple. So for me, I lose out some trades. I also be in profit most time. Okay, so when the price go against me, simply I manage my risk well. And another thing you guys have to learn how to do is to be patient. One, you have to be patient. That's a positive attitude you need to develop as a trader. That's in fact, for me, it's the best attitude of a trader. I know not everybody have that kind of mindset of, okay, some people are just aggressive, but see, if you must make money here, if you want to actually make money in this forex market, you need to at least learn how to be patient, right? Learn how to wait for your strategy or your setup, and also learn how to wait for your price when the price is in profit, right? You don't just jump. The common mistake among beginners, this one is just like a bonus to you guys, is that most beginners, we always take profit on time, right? When their price jump into profit, boom, they are off. They don't care about the risk reward or the potential reward in that trade, right? So if you are patient enough to manage your account properly, and patient enough to wait for your setup to be met, you are likely going to become more profitable. So guys, that's that for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to leave a comment on the kind of videos you want to be created. If you love this type of videos, you can also let me know in the comment section, and I will keep bringing you back this kind of videos. Okay, so that's that. Thank you for your time, and I will see you guys in the next one.